Welcome. In this video we are going to learn testing VNC server password for login in Metasploit. The VNC login auxiliary module will scan an IP address or range of IP addresses and attempt to login via VNC with either a provided password or a word list. Let's open up terminal, scan 192.168.0.8, type nmap 192.168.0.8. It will take few minutes, so here I am forwarding it. Here you can see that port 5900 port is open for VNC. Let's open up Metasploit, type MSF console, type use auxiliary scanner VNC _login. Type show option. Here you can see that module basic options, blank password to try blank password for all users, brute force speed, how fast to brute force from 0 to 5, DB all creds, try each user or password couple stored in current database, our host, the target address range or CIDR identifier, our port, the target port, and so on. Here I set our target range or address, threads, and perhaps the most importantly, the brute force speed value. Many newer VNC servers will automatically ban further login attempts if too many failed ones are made consecutively. Type set rhost 192.168.0.8, type set username root. Here I am not setting thread value default, it is 1. We run the module. Notice in the output below that Metasploit automatically adjusts the retry interval after being notified of too many failed login attempts. Here you can see login is successful. So that's it in this video on testing VNC server password or login using Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.